You'll need 2 square sheets of paper to make this origami. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in half diagonally. Fold the left edge to the right and open the flap, folding its top part downward. Fold the right corner to the left and the tip to the right and unfold. Fold the right part inward and then fold the tip outward along the crease you've made. Now take another square sheet of paper and fold the paper in half diagonally. Then fold the top layer of the bottom corner upward. Fold the tips of the corners inward and fold the corners downward to make the ears. You might want to leave some space on the top between the flaps. Now spread some glue on the top part of the first item and insert it inside the second item. Add details to it and the puppy is complete. You can use it as an ornament or even use it as a bookmark. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded, and give this video a thumbs up.